Hello everyone, my name is Jutan Al Ahmed, and today we're going to be going through the OneKey application. This isn't my first time, it's my second time going through it. The first time I did it, the video didn't even record. Rookie mistake. However, it hopefully is recording now, and then this will be uploaded. But yeah, so we'll go through the application. I've got a OneKey here. You can watch my unboxing. If you didn't already know, I'm actually doing a giveaway of one as well. All you need to do is subscribe to my channel, go onto my Discord, put one of those reactions, and then by the time the giveaway's ended, the bot will hopefully randomize whoever wins, and you will be contacted to see if you are subscribed or not, lol, and if you meet the criteria, basically. Anyways, let's quickly go over what the OneKey is. This is a hardware wallet. Hopefully you've watched my unboxing video. If you haven't, obviously do so. But yeah, it's EAL6 certified, and it's fully open source. And interestingly enough, the application that I'm going to go through, it's available on all platforms, so Mac OS, iOS, Android, and Windows. As you already know, this is how I present my mobile device. But yeah, so let's go through it. So I've already got it switched on. Hopefully you can see there. Yeah, switched on. But yeah, connect the hardware wallets. That's what I'm gonna go. That's what I'm going to do. But let me just show you the other bits first. So you can do connect wallet and go through like wallet connect. We're not going to do that. You can import a wallet, and they've got so many other products that they have, right? But yeah, we're not going to go through that either. But they've got like OneKey Lite, OneKey key tag, private key address. So you can import the private key itself. Obviously, I don't advise ever putting in a private key or anything within the actual phone or anything like this, because it's still soft wallet in that case. You can create a wallet, show you before you proceed. It gives you advice and stuff. One thing about this company, they actually give advice, which is good. Not every company does that. There are quite a few companies which do, but I'm just saying not every company does do that. We're going to do connect hardware wallet, so let's do that. So start the connection. You can do QR code or Bluetooth. We're going to do Bluetooth. This is a Bluetooth device. Apologies if I'm speaking too quickly. Do slow the video down if I am. But anyways, the QR code, they do other products. We can just do like a QR code or whatever. But yeah, let's just start connection. The device, I think they're all named the same. So it's K5151. Let's click on that. That's come up there. So K5151. Okay, hopefully you can see that there. If you can't, there you can. Okay, so enter pin. So check the device screen for the keypad layout. Enter pin code. This is very interesting. This pin code, I believe it's the one that I put when I first set this up. So let's do so basically, in the first video that I created, I put it as 1234 as the pin code. What's very interesting is this is randomized, which is awesome. This is the first time I've seen any sort of authentication like this, which it gives a enter pin and connecting to the Bluetooth. Normally, it's just the pairing, which you did initially have to do as well, to just pair these devices. But now it's saying to enter a pin code. The pin code is invalid. Attempt 9 tries left. Lol, that's what it's saying here. So after 9 tries, I have tried this. It wipes the whole device. Okay, so let's retry. Verifying device. I'm going to be putting in the pin again. Check device screen for layout. Oh, okay. Okay, sorry. My mistake. I understand what this means. This is the pin code. This is just showing the randomization of what number is where, but you need to put in the pin code of the actual device. So obviously I've chosen 9-digit pin code. The test one that I did was 1234. Obviously this one's a bit more like not as straightforward, but let's do this. I may even skip through this because just due to security reasons. Okay. Wow. Okay, that took a second try for some reason. Maybe I took too long initially. But it's saying authenticity check. It's checking that the device is authentic. Check the device with server. Yes. I'm going to click on yes there. Hopefully you can see that. And then, yep, as you can see, verification successful. There's so many buttons and stuff that I'm having to click, lol. But yeah, verification successful. Let's continue. Finalize the wallet setup. Is creating the wallets. There will be a bit of blurring and stuff that I do on like specific things, just as you all probably already know. If you are subscribed and stuff, I'm very security conscious regarding stuff like this. So I do hide. Ooh, that's very slippery. I do hide quite a few bit of things. So it's generating my account. One very interesting thing about this wallet, right, is the fact that it's actually compatible with the Lightning Network. So that's something I want to check definitely. I don't know why I'm getting a message here that's saying Bitcoin message signer, and it's giving me a BC1 address. Bitcoin message. Do you want to sign this Bitcoin transaction? No, I don't. That's a bit weird. Why did something like that? That's a bit odd. But I do note, yeah, this is like the second time ever I'm setting this up, so that's very, very odd. Why was it time to sign a transaction? It didn't give me the transaction ID, it gave me an address. That's very, very interesting. But just so you know, let's go through the application, just so that's why you're here, right? So address book, iCloud backup, OneKey, like these are the products. You can do default currency, so I'm gonna do it in GBP. I live in the UK, as you already know. Okay, Face ID, yeah, okay. I don't know why I had to reset, but yeah. Language auto, theme auto, Face ID, auto lock if away for 4 hours, change password, so that'll be your password of your application, not the actual device. Signature record is your record of that, okay. Account derivation path, that's a very interesting. You can change it there, so you can change your Bitcoin derivation path, because there are multiple. For example, the segment native segue, then there's legacy and taproot as well now, so they've got different paths, right, to create the actual address. We're gonna so if we click on the top there, it shows the device, shows one account. You can have multiple accounts, right? I'm going to test this in the future. It won't be fully in this video, but I think when you have multiple accounts, you probably do additional UTXO management and have other keys. One thing that this device does have is passphrase. Now, I haven't obviously played around with it enough, but the passphrase, when I clicked on this, the device, right, let me see if I can go here. If you can see the security passphrase is disabled. Whenever I try enable it, it's a, or do you want to encrypt it? Yes, but it doesn't actually say like put in a passphrase. I think you might have to do that on the app, and if that's how it is, I am not comfortable doing that. I will never type in a passphrase or password or recovery key like that in an application, in a phone app related to a hardware wallet. Never. I don't care what security and what encryption there is. Fact is, this has been connected to the internet and it has the capability of doing that. I'm not comfortable with that. Okay. But yeah, the reason I'm thinking that it might be there is because I saw somewhere here on the application that you can probably add something like that. And is that top button here is the camera. So as you can see there, hopefully you can. That's the camera itself. And notification, there's obviously updates, firmware updates and stuff that you can do. So Lightning Network, this is what I was clicking on earlier. So let's go to, let me just click on, so there's Bitcoin here and there's so many other networks that you can go on to, right? And obviously over 5,000 coins are supported. But let's click on Bitcoin. Obviously I'm going to blur out the Bitcoin address. This is my address. You can do receive and then verify on the device, and then obviously send. These are just normal functions which you already know about. If you don't, I have other like how-to videos on that, so do watch these videos. Just search on my channel. You can buy crypto directly from this. You can swap crypto, which is very interesting. This is do you know what I just want to see the rate. So let's see USDT. Is that there? Tether. I don't know what the hell these coins are. These are obviously not official ones. So let's say I want to let's just say Solana for oh, there we go. USD. Okay, Tether on the USDC or USDT on the Solana network. That's why it wasn't showing it. So let's just say that, for example. and I want to do 1 Bitcoin, right? 46,000 is the rate. That's actually, I believe that is the rate now. Oh, sorry, you get 45,300. So yeah, they're taking a huge amount of fee, and it's changely. Oh no. Okay, okay. This is going to be KYC related. Okay, provider is showing them changely and fixed rate and floating. Okay, okay. So what it is this will have you will be doing this with KYC most likely. So Bitcoin, the address and stuff is here, but you can also click on Bitcoin and go into the Lightning Network. I just want to quickly show you here how you, if you click on that little, I don't know if you can see that there's like a little deviation icon. If you click on that, right, it shows you what other paths you can go into. So if you see here, nested SegWit, it starts with the 3 taproot is BC1P, native SegWit is BC1Q, and legacy is 1. Okay, legacy is obviously how the original. I've got information of this on my website as well, on the articles and stuff that I create. So if you wanted to like research a bit more on that, you can do, or you can obviously watch my videos if you learn better like that. But anyways, let's go on to the Lightning Network. Okay, Lightning create address. Let's create this. Let's see what it shows. Okay, I think it's going to show something on the device itself. Let's see if it does come out. Checking device. What is it actually checking? But this is all real time. Do you see what I mean? Confirm on device, signer. So it's okay. Okay, that makes sense now. So remember earlier I said, do I want to sign? It's time to sign something. It's basically this. I didn't realize because this device was switched off. That's why. Showing my SegWit on my BC1Q address here. I'm gonna. Okay, let's see. Bitcoin message. Okay, it's just showing me the message that's going to be signed. It's a OneKey Lightning Network. Interesting. Very interesting. Do you want to sign this Bitcoin transaction? That's what it's saying here, okay? So if you just look at that there, do you want to sign the Bitcoin address? I'm not showing you every detail that it showed because of the fact that obviously it's going to be security related. But I'm going to click on yes now. Let's see. Let's see what it's done, okay? Confirm on address. I've already confirmed it. It looks like the Bluetooth is taking a bit of time, if I'll be honest. But I just want to reiterate the fact that, hold on, it's telling me signer. BC1Q, blah, blah, blah. Okay. Okay. Do you want to sign? Yes. Let's not forget. There we go. It's done it. Okay. That's interesting. So, the Lightning Network, 0 sats. Wow. Okay. Now, I want to know, where is the node? Okay, so you can watch my other video on what the Lightning Network is. Just to give you a quick summary, it's layer 2 of Bitcoin. It's instantaneous transfers, and how it does work on layer 2 is you have normally a server, and on that server you have Bitcoin, and you have channels which you basically connect with other people, and if you want to do the transfer, it does it off-chain quickly. And what it is say if I have a Bitcoin and I want to send 0.5 Bitcoin to somebody else, it does it through the channel network of whoever has the Bitcoin, whoever you're connected to. So the reason I asked, I wonder who this is actually connected to is, I know that OneKey have their own channel. You can connect to them if you have your own server. For example, I've got a LND and a Core Lightning. LND is a Lightning Network Daemon. You can connect. You can open a channel with most likely OneKey, or there's many other big ones as well. And because these channels are just connected with everybody, this is the Lightning Network, and this is what makes transfer to everybody instantaneous. For example, there's Wallet of Satoshi, there's Zeus, there's Strike as well. These companies have their own nodes, and you're using their service, their node to do this. So for example, I believe OneKey, I read somewhere that they have 18 Bitcoin on their node. Okay, the nodes are soft wallets. I'm just going to mention that there just so you're aware, because it is risky, okay? But what this looks like to me is I signed a transaction from my Bitcoin address to their node address, okay? And now if I want to do anything, it's going to be through my hardware wallet, which is excellent. this is something, do subscribe to my channel because I'm going to be making quite a few more content on this Lightning Network and OneKey. They sent me this saying the fact that they're the only or they're the first wallet to even be able to connect through self-custody on the Lightning Network. I have so many questions, and I will ask OneKey and get back to yourselves as well, which are, for example, I don't know if this is coming on the top of your head, but is this does the third party control the sats that you have here? Where do the sats actually stay? Because I've got so many questions. Anyways, we'll figure this out. But yeah, you can send, so you can send to an address, receive amount. Interesting. Let's say 10,000 sats. Description, coffee. Interesting. Create invoice. Create invoice. This is the QR code and stuff. I'm going to blur obviously quite a bit out and stuff. Copy that and somebody can pay. So they can actually, okay. Very, very interesting. Okay, more. Let's click on more. Okay, you can sell it. And then obviously you can transfer it to your actual Bitcoin address as well. Very interesting. Anyways, this is just a video of just going through this and obviously what the Bitcoin, the Lightning Network and stuff is. Obviously, as I've showed you here, there's so many other networks. I just want to show you the fact that you can check the market here as well of every crypto asset there is here, so we can see BTC, etc., what the market's doing, and browse is a feature where the Web3 browsers, so decentralized applications. Okay, so dApps as it says on top there. But yeah, hopefully this was a comprehensive video, and if it was, please do consider subscribing to my channel. Do feel free to join this giveaway that I've created, and yeah, if you have any questions, comment down below, because comment down below any actual questions that you have regarding this Lightning Network and this company, because I'm going to be asking OneKey and hopefully I'll get back to you. But yeah, lastly, let's not forget, together let's break free from the shackles of modern slavery. I'll see you all in my next video. Take care. Bye bye.